Hello everyone, I'm Molly from Chinese Learning. Very nice to see you again here. Today I will share a new story with you. It is called 横行的螃蟹. 螃蟹 means crab. So 横行的螃蟹 means the crab's funny walk. Are you ready? Now let's begin. On a bright night, a little crab was walking on the beach. His mother saw him and yelled, "Child, how can you walk sideways? It's so ugly. Others will laugh at you. Walk straight." The little crab said, "Okay, Mom." But the little crab didn't know how to walk straight. The little crab said, "Mom, can you show me how to walk straight?" His mother said, "Okay, it's very easy." His mother tried hard to walk straight. However, no matter how hard she tried, she could only walk sideways. The little crab could only follow her mother and imitate her sideways walking. Okay, that's all about the story. If you like it, you can remember 横行的螃蟹. Now please read with me. 横行的螃蟹. In this story, we have learned a new word, 螃蟹. 螃蟹. Today's teaching is over. Next time, I'm gonna share 小老鼠搬家 with you, which means little mice move their house. See you next time. Bye bye.